We're pushing. We're pushing. So without wasting any time, we know that today we'll talk about what we call the measurement. Is that so? So when we're talking about the measurement, that's where we're going to talk about what we call sorry. This is where we're going to talk about the surface area of a right prism. Let's start by the surface area of a right prism. Surface area of the right prism. Is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes.
Surface area of right prisms. Surface area of a right prism. So the surface area of a right prism the surface area of a right prism is the sum of the area is the sum of the areas of each individual face that make up the surface of the prism. Are we still together? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
So now, as far as we're concerned, when we're talking about those things of a surface area, I want to grab something first so that we don't waste the time. Did you understand what I have written so that we can proceed and go to the diagram so that we don't waste much time? Can we proceed?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What I'm saying is this. Is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When we're talking about the surface area, we said that indeed the surface area of a right prism is the sum of the areas of each individual face that makes up the surface of the prism. So if you can check, this is our right prism. Are we good? So our right prism have got a backside. Our right prism have got a backside. It have got a left side. It have got a top side. It have got a right side. Oh, this is the bottom side. This is the front side. So we know this is it described we've got the length and what? Our breadth. We find, right? Did you see the did you see the right the prism? So what will happen if we unfold the box? Eh? What will happen if we unfold the box?
There
What
are
will
gonna be
happen?
sides.
Sorry?
There are going to be 6 sides if we unfold the box.
Yes, if we unfold the box, this is what we are going to have. If we unfold the box, this is what we are going to have. By unfolding the box, we're going to have this. Are we following?
Yes.
So we're going to have that length. And get to this side, we're going to have the length, the breadth, and it's simple like this when it is shown. Is that so? So now, when we unfold the box now, here we go. I want you to see this thing clearly without any hesitating, so that when we reach to our formula, we don't even say something that won't take us anywhere. Can you see this thing? Is it still visible? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember, we are talking about the surface area. Is that so? We're talking about the surface area. I'm writing on my with my hand now on my PC. The mark is no longer working nice. Is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes, it is.
Okay, this is area of the left side. Will you mind if I write left side as LS?
Nope.
Okay, thank you. This is the area of left side plus
Use
plus
LS.
sorry.
It's better when you use LS.
Okay, thank you, my guy. Thank you. And the area of right side RS plus again the area of front side plus the area of back side plus again the area of bottom side plus the area of top side. There we go. Are we still together? Hello? The area of
Yes,
left
yes, yes.
side plus the area of right side. plus area of front side plus area of back side. The area of left side plus the area of right side plus the area of front side plus the area of bottom. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now this is nothing but going to be equals to, what is the area of left side is base times height. Is that so? Plus base times height. So plus, remember we're talking about length times breadth, right? Base times height. Then the base times height again plus area of a front side. We know that the area of a front side we're going to get what? Guys, can you see what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A front side we've got what? We've got L times H, is that so? Plus
Yes.
again we've got L times H. Then plus backside we've got what? L times B. Is that so? Plus L
Yes.
times B. Then in mathematics we know that this is what? 2 BH. Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Plus 2 LH plus 2 LB. So as far as we're concerned, surface area of a right prism is nothing but given by what? This formula. Or should I write that the surface area of a right prism, or you're fine with it? Hello?
I know we are fine with it. We are fine with it. Can you please just leave it here for a second so that we can go?
Yes, no problem, no problem. When you are done, don't forget to tell them.
I'm done.
I'm also done.
Okay. So now, are you satisfied? Remember, we're going to use those formulas. Can we proceed?
Ye- Yes, we can proceed.
Okay. Now you understood the formula for area of what? Of right prism, right? Hello?
Yebo.
You now get the surface. You understood this formula: surface area of a right prism. Where we said surface area is nothing but equals to 2BH plus 2LH plus 2LB. Are we good?
Yes.
Now let's talk about the volume. Volume of a right prism. Let's talk about the volume of a right prism. So the volume of any 3 dimensions the volume of any 3-dimensional shape multiplied by the height that it is extended by. Can we proceed?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's say the height that is multiplied by I hope the picture is visible.
Yeah, the picture is visible.
There we go. So now the volume the volume of a right prism it says volume is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Are we good?
Yes.
Volume is
Yes.
nothing but equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Are you satisfied?
So since isn't it that volume we're finding out the thingy? So since the rectangular prism has 6 sides, why don't we just say 6 L times 6B times 6H, multiplying the whole all the sides
We do
times the length.
that. We do that when we need the surface. When we need the what you are talking about is the perimeter. We add everything in a perimeter, but in a volume, we just multiply what the side that we have. We don't repeat the side.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
We're good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, can we proceed and talk about the scaling factor of right prisms?
Yeah.
Okay. So you are expected to be able to determine the effect that multiplying any of the dimension of the right prism by a factor of k. So that will have on the area and volume of the prism. So to shortcut things, let's grab this. This is what we're trying to say. Is it visible? So change.
Yes, it is.
Uh, we've got length, breadth, and height multiplied by a factor of k. So the effect on surface area increases by a factor of k square. Did you understand? Surface area increases by the factor of, they are not going to ask you this, but it's just a matter of like, we must cover everything when we're teaching. And it's like when we are teaching solve for x, when we say x plus 3 equals to 2, you take x that side and you take 2 that side and it changes the sign. They're not going to ask you that, but it's a matter of teaching that this thing you are going to apply when you are taking another number to the other side.
Also, like this table is a must have for exams.
Now, it's what you must know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's what you must note. So there is no general rule for the changing in surface area if one or two sides are multiplied by a factor of k. So in this case, the area has to be calculated from first principle using all the formulas that you know. Did you understand?
Yeah, but
Yeah, so change the length or breadth or height multiplied by a factor of k, then effect on the volume increased by a factor of k. So I think the better thing that we can do now is to do the example so that we can see on what we are talking about. I think we can go to the example. Are you ready or you're not ready?
yeah, let's get to the example.
Okay. There we go. Is the example visible?
Yes.
Can we answer the question together?
Yes, let's answer.
So as far as we're concerned, let's grab the question together. Dakaro, can you please read the question for us?
Okay. For the rectangular prism shown below, determine the surface area of the prism.
They say determine the surface area of the prism. Ampao, we said what is the formula for surface area of the right prism?
It is 2BH plus 2LH plus 2LB.
You're lying.
Am I supposed to say it in full?
Yeah, in full. It's a formula. We need in full.
2 times.
You're lying again.
It is.
I said you're lying. You're not talking with us now. I'm repeating my question.
Okay.
What is the formula?
Surface area is equals to
I don't know how
Good,
to
good.
say it like
Yes, you must say a surface area. SA equals to. That's the formula. Each and every formula is in the term of equals to. Are we good?
yes.
You may proceed.
yes.
Surface area is equals to 2
To
times.
BH. You know what? Why I was saying you are lying? You didn't tell us that SA equals to. So we were not sure what you are talking about.
Okay.
Yes, welcome. Let's proceed.
That's 2LH
Plus 2LH
plus 2LB.
plus 2LB. Kare kana hu tshi pfi ḓi bya kule kha zwezwo vho LB, but I didn't hear it. Nda ndi khou zwi pfa goloi kha thekhisi hu na phosho. Anyways, let's go and substitute. This is equals to 2. Now what is our B? Okay, let's go back here so that people can see where's our B. Did you see how this thing stays? Do you see where's B, where's H, where's L?
Yes.
Yes.
All of
Yes.
you, ne? Okay, nice one. So now what is our B?
4
4
centimeters.
centimeters.
Oh, good. We're going to put 4. And what is our H?
5
5.
centimeters.
5 centimeters.
This is our H, this is our L. You guys, you're smart. We've got 5 plus 2. Our L,
10
is
times 5.
10 times 5 plus 2 into
10 times 4. Wait, yeah,
10,
10 times
10 times 4. Then this is nothing but going to be equals to 40 plus 100. Is that so? Plus 8. Are we good? Which is nothing but
Yes.
equals to what? When you press is equals to what?
220.
220 centimeters square. Remember, area is always in square units. Area is always in square units. Area is always in what?
Square unit.
It's always in square units. Can we proceed with the next question, Dagaro?
Can you please let us copy first?
Yes, you can copy first.
You can proceed.
Okay. Dagaro?
The volume of the the volume of the prism.
We said what is the volume of the prism today? I'm dealing with those people. Amphao, what is the volume of the prism?
Volume is equals to length times breadth times height.
Good. V is equals to L times B times H. Then let's substitute Dakaro.
10 times 4 times 5.
Then we get what?
200.
200 centimeter cube. Volume is always in units cubed. Are we good?
Yes.
Can we proceed?
I'm done on my side.
Okay. Others, can we proceed?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Let's go to the next question, Dakaro.
The effect of the volume and surface area if all of the dimensions are increased by a factor of k.
Mhm. Do you see
The
that
effect
thing? Do you see that thing of this table now? So it simply means that if all the dimensions are multiplied by a factor of k, are we good? And then it means the length is going to be equals to what? 10k. Is that so? The breadth is going to be equals to 4k. It's like they're saying multiply what is given by k. And the height is going to be equals to 5k. Therefore, it means the surface area, the new one, is going to be equals to what? 2 times what? 4k. We're just putting the k's. Is that so? Hello?
Yes.
Times 2 times 10k times 5k plus 2 times 10k times 4k. Then we get 40k squared. Is that so? Plus 100k squared plus 80k squared. Is it difficult? Which is equals to 220k squared centimeter square.
Can I ask?
Yes.
Since you've already calculated the surface area in question A, can you just skip straight to the answer, but add a k squared in the answer?
Yeah,
Since
yeah,
the
but yeah, no. Here we must show them that if the thing is multiplied by k, we are going to have this. Now our length have changed to 10k.
oh, okay.
I remember this is a lesson. I have to explain each and every step, even though you know the shortcut, but myself, I have to explain. There are some learners who don't know what you're talking about.
No, I'm just saying that if we do not write the 40k plus 10k plus 100k plus 80k, we just skip that part and then go straight to the answer. Would we get less marks as compared to when we wrote those?
When you skip some steps,
Yeah, when you skip the middle part, the part where it says 40k
oh
squared.
yeah, you are still going to get the same solution, the same marks. Myself is just that I'm explaining each and every step on where from here to there and something like that.
Oh, okay.
So are you satisfied? Can we go to volume? Therefore, volume nu is going to be equals to 10k multiplied by 4k multiplied by 5k. Then this is nothing but equals to 200k cube centimeter cube. Are we fine?
Yes, but can I quickly ask a question?
Yes.
So at the thingy, um, when we're writing the number A and B and C, is it okay if we write the data first? Like L is equals to 10, for example, B is equals to 4, H is equals to 5, so that it can be easier for us to substitute in the values.
You mean here? I already labeled on the diagram. So there was
Like in the exam, when we writing, would it be beneficial for us to write the thingy, the
no,
data first?
is up to you. If you feel like you will be confused, then you can write. But if you won't be confused, you can just substitute. Those math teachers, they know what is length, they know which one is breadth, they know which one is height. What you can do, you can even label like this if you feel like you'll be confused. But also you can write that L equals to H equals to B equals to, if you feel like you want to write it. It's not a must.
Oh, okay.
Yebo, yebo. Are you satisfied?
Yebo.
Okay. So now, as far as we're concerned, if all of the dimensions are multiplied by a factor of k, the surface area is increased by what? By a factor of k squared, right? Is that so?
It is.
So again, and the volume is increased by a factor of what? Of k square of k cube.
So if the thingy, so basically the k squared, also the k corresponds to the centimeters. For
Yeah,
example, say the centimeters doesn't have a squared, or the k won't have squared.
yeah.
Okay. Like, are there situations where maybe the k might
No,
be.
it can be. With the
Okay.
k, it can be k squared and the centimeter can be cube. No, 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 no.
So once we find that our k is not corresponding to our centimeters, that means we are wrong.
Yeah, it means you have skipped those steps, the way you will say k times k. It's like there we have got a centimeter times centimeter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can we proceed? Guys, are
Yes.
you satisfied so that we can proceed?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's talk about the surface area of a cylinder. Surface area of a cylinder. Surface area of a cylinder. Remember, a cylinder is made up of two cycles. And a rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is the circumference of the cycle multiplied by the height of the cycle of the cylinder, not cycle, sorry, of the cylinder. So you must be careful to take notes whether the cylinder is open or closed. If the cylinder is open, the formula for the surface area has to be adjusted. Are we still together? If the cylinder is open, the formula for the surface area must be what? It has to be adjusted. Guys, are you still with me?
Yes, we
Yes.
are here.
Okay. So let me show you what I'm talking about so that we don't waste much time. So this is what I'm talking about. Is it visible? Hello?
Yes, it's
Yes.
visible.
So now, can you see that we've got a closed cylinder and opened cylinder?
Yebo.
So as far as we're concerned, as I was saying, the surface area is nothing but equals to area of a rectangle plus area of base plus area of top. Are we good?
Yes.
So this is nothing but going to be equals to 2 pi RH. Did you see that? Area of a rectangle. Are we good?
Yes.
Plus area of a base is what? Pi R squared. Are we still together?
Yes.
Yes.
But can
Plus area of a top is what? Remember, surface area is adding all the areas of those sides. So now, when we group the like terms, we would see that we have got what? We have got 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. So this is your formula. And now we have to include, this is the formula of a closed cylinder, remember? This one is for a closed cylinder. We have to show you the one for cylinder open on the one end and the cylinder open on both end. Are we still together?
yes, but could you please wait for a second?
Yes, when you're done, the problem is when you're done, you don't say I'm done.
I'm kind of lost.
Where did you get lost?
That way you said SA is equals to a rectangle, a rectangle, ne? And then at the bottom you said is equals to two, what's the sign? So I'm lost as to how the rectangle is equals to.
Area of a rectangle. Not A of rectangle, area of a rectangle.
Okay.
But then isn't the area of the rectangle length times breadth?
Sorry?
Isn't the area of a rectangle length times breadth? Wait, would you get a different answer if you used length times breadth?
When we are using length times breadth.
Yeah. Instead of 2 pi r times h.
Oh, you guys, you are mixing the rectangle that we are talking about with the rectangle that is in between those or cycles. No. Remember here, the circumference of that rectangle is 2 pi r. Remember,
So would
we are breaking out this one, this cylinder.
So when it says 2 pi RH, is it equivalent to 2 pi radius and height? Or does the
Yes,
R stand for something else?
R stand for radius.
Why are we using the radius of the circle on the rectangle?
Can you see this rectangle here?
Yes,
We are removing it from where?
from the cylinder,
Which contain what?
the circle.
Yeah, that's why we have to include that one, because that circumference of our rectangle doesn't, it is not closed. It have got the circumference.
Okay, I understand.
Now you don't.
I do.
Our rectangle
I'm
have got a circumference. It have got this.
I'm still asking
It doesn't have what
the
you are
same
saying,
question.
you guys. Sorry?
I'm still asking I'm still asking the same question that if we use
No,
length
no, no, no.
times breadth,
That one, it won't work. It won't work, because now when you are using what you are talking about, you are telling me about this rectangle, not this one, not this one where it have got a circumference where we are going to see the radius.
so
Did you?
I wouldn't get the same answer.
No, you can try with all questions.
Okay.
So, guys, this area that we're talking about is for this one. We're talking about two different things here. This is not the same like this. It's too different. This one, it have got a circumference with a radius. Did you see that?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So a cylinder is made up of two cycles, top and base, one rectangle, the curved surface. Are we good? So surface area is like when we're saying area of the top cycle plus area of the base cycle plus area of that rectangle. So the length of the rectangle is equal to the circumference of the cycle. Here the length is equal to the circumference. Here the length is equal to the length. Are we good?
Yes.
The length is equal to the what? The circumference of the cycle. Why are we saying the length? Because it's the circumference. Did you get it?
Yes.
Can we proceed?
Yeah, before we proceed, ne, at the thingy, at the area of a rectangle, there where they say 2 pi r times height. So the 2, we get it from the top and the bottom at the 2 pi r thingy. So
No,
we take
no.
the pi and radius and height of the top, and then radius, pi, and height of the bottom.
You guys, you're acting like you're understanding. You're not understanding. I
No, I
repeat.
understand. I understand. It's just I'm not understanding where this 2 is coming from.
Yeah, that's part of not understanding. What I was saying, this is 2 pi r, which is the circumference. This is also our length. So this is our height, which is nothing but our h. So you know that the area of a rectangle is equals to length times the height, right?
Yes.
Then what is our length? Is our 2 pi r. And what is our height? Is our h. There we go. Now are you satisfied?
Yes, I am satisfied. The thing that I'm asking now, that's why I said that you don't get my question. The thing that I'm asking there at the 2 pi r, you say that 2 at the
2
front
pi
there.
r is the circumference of the cycle.
Yeah, I'm saying you see that 2 at the front there. That
Which one?
2.
This one?
The 2. Yeah, that one. So does it come from adding the pi at the top and the pi at the bottom together to pi r?
No. Is the circumference of the cycle.
Okay. Yeah, we can continue.
The circumference of the cycle is 2 pi r. Are we good?
Yeah, we can continue. I understand now.
Okay. So now, as I was saying, so the surface area of a cylinder SA is equals to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. This one is for a closed cylinder. And we have surface area is equals to 2 pi RH plus pi r squared. This one This one is for cylinder. Open on one side. And we have surface area is equals to 2 pi RH. This work is for grade 8. This is grade 8 work. You learn about this thing in grade 8. This is the cylinder. If you take grade 8 book, you will find those formulas. Open on both sides. Not both sides, but let's say both end. Even there, let's use end because sides won't work for us. Let's use both end. So those are the formulas. Oh, good.
Yes. Can we copy?
Yes, you can copy. Are you done?
Yeah, just finished.
Okay. So now, as far as we're concerned, let's talk about the volume of a cylinder. So the volume of most three dimension the volume of three-dimensional shape is the area of the base shape multiplied by the height that is extended. Oh, my finger is no longer willing to touch. Oh, what? Extended by You can see, right?
Yes.
Yes.
There we go. So this thing, it means volume of a cylinder volume of a cylinder
Is it possible to end after you are done with the formula of the volume of cylinder?
sorry,
Is it possible to end here after you are done with the volume of a cylinder?
what do you mean?
Like, is it possible or end at the class here at
Why do you want the class to end here?
because I've got some things that I have to do by this
Yeah,
time.
you can do those things, then you will watch the recording.
Okay.
So the volume is nothing but equals to pi r squared multiplied by h. Remember, we are covering things and we are already behind time at the same time. So can we do the examples? Or I can give you those. We can, on this one, we have to do the first example. Or I can give you those examples as your homework, you guys.
Yeah, then we'll send.
Let's just do only one.
Only one. Okay, no problem. No problem. If there's something that you're doing, you can just to do it, then the recording will be available.
No, I think
Don't
I
for,
can stay for an example. Then yeah.
uh, my guy, you're not serious. Do you know, I wish if you know how many classes I stopped to teach this class, you were going to understand that I'm more than busy the way you think. I have classes until third year, but I stopped all of them. Now I'm busy with the grade 10 and I make it to book the whole week just to give you guys time. So anyways, here is an example. There we go. Is it visible? Okay. Can we move the questions?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Let's go with the question. I'm Paul. Let's go with the question. Are you sleeping?
No.
Let's go with the question. Kana ene una zwine wa ṱoḓa u vha khou ita?
I.
Okay, I'm about the questions, my dear girl.
For the cylinder shown below, determine the surface area of the cylinder if it is closed.
And we said the formula for closed is which one?
It is SA is equals to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared.
Nice one. Then we substitute. Can we go to the next page? What is our R? Can you see that we're given the diameter here?
Yes, our R is 10 centimeters.
Good. And not over girl. R equals to 20 divided by 2, which is equals to 10. Can we go to the next slide so that we can substitute everything?
Yes.
We can go.
Okay. This question is also there on your group, ne? So it is important to note that the diameter of a cylinder is 20 centimeter. Therefore, the radius is equals to 10 centimeter. So the surface area is nothing but equals to, the formula there is given. So it's a matter of substitution, right? Hello? Is that so? Since the formula is given, there's no use for us to write the formula. Then when we substitute to our calculator, what did we get?
Mm. One, pi-
Sorry?
uh, uh, thousand, uh, 5 centimeters.
You said 200 and what? Like this. So now,
Hey, like, and
when you press everything with the pi, you get what? Without pi? When you press SD, what did you get?
this
Sho-
to
sho-
be less.
Shoma,
6,911.50.
6,911.50
If you mean all of
centimeters
the
square. Are we good? Can we go to the next question?
yes.
Let's go, my dear girl.
For the cylinder shown below, determine the surface area of the cylinder if it is open on one end.
Which formula from the three? 1, 2, 3.
It is SA is equals to 2 pi RH plus pi R squared.
Good. So it means we're going to substitute there. Dakaro, are you following?
Yes.
This is 2 pi into 10 multiplied by 100 plus pi into 10 to the power 2. When we press everything, we get what?
We get 6,597.34.
6,597.34 centimeters square. Can we proceed?
Yes.
Yeah, we're proceeding.
Oh, the cylinder shown for the cylinder shown below, determine the volume of the cylinder.
The volume is going to be equals to what? Should we go somewhere on the volume or we can write it here?
Let's go to the other page.
Okay. There we go. The volume is equals to what?
Pi r squared times height.
Then we substitute pi, our r is 10 squared times what is our height? Then what do you get?
Get 31,415.93.
Can I beg your pardon?
You get 31,415.
Or 31,115
93.
93 centimeter cube. Is it difficult?
No.
This one is the similar with the one that we are doing now, or is that so? It's a method of substitution. You get the surface area nu and the volume nu. Is that so? It's a matter of putting k cube and k squared at the end. Are we fine?
Yes.
Can we end here, or you want us to do the last question?
Can end here.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye. We'll see each other on the next lesson tomorrow. Bye bye.